As we were here a few minutes ago, I got a distress call about another raid on the home of our party leader in Famire. As you know, the military decided to descend on that place. Access has been denied all of this while. You have seen Omwaasi, Mr. Museveni's son, tweeting and saying, "I'm looking for Kyagulanyi to kill him." This is the Chief of Defense Forces. Never mind that he was undeserving of this position. It was given to him because he's Mr. Museveni's son. But he is occupying the position and he wields a lot of power. So for him to say, "I'm looking for Kyagulanyi to kill him," that's worrisome. And our leader, of course, is somewhere in a safe place because Omwaasi is looking for him to kill him. So a few minutes ago, I got a distress call. They've raided the home again. Now they've jumped into the fence again. They've been on the outside. They've jumped in and they're trying to access. We don't know why they keep doing this. Because if there is anybody you're interested in, because now they are harassing the wife and the family, why do you not issue summons and say, "We are interested in so and so, you come to police and we charge you of this offense"? Why behave in a manner so criminal? Again, the gloating of, "Yes, we have got the guns, and now Moses says that we have killed this number of people, we shall kill some more." We have, that's very shallow-minded a way to operate, by the way. Because you have got the gun, so you think the buck stops with that. No, we have seen more powerful people in this world. People who have got bigger guns, they fail. We don't want our country to become a shadow of its former past. We shall not let that happen because of a few confused individuals.
Uganda?
Tubadde wano nenfuna akasimu wakaga omukulembeze waffe ow'ekitiibwa Kyagulanyi nga bazzeemu okugalumba bamukwata mundu. Ensangi zino babadde bali bweru nga bwe bagumbye, naye kaakano bazzeemu ne babuuka ne bagwa mu kikomera bagezaako okuyingira mu nnyumba. Mukyala we ne Famire naki bali mu kutya. Kati ne weebuuza lwaki bwaba nga balina omuntu yenna gwe beetaaga muyishuwinga esamuusi nti omuntu ono noono tubeetaaga mujje munyonyole ensonga zino nezino. Lwaki mweyisa nga abayeekera? Mulabye mutabani wa Mwami Museveni Muhoozi ng'awandiika ku mitimbagano, "Kyagulanyi oyo munoonya ngenda kumutta." Of course ekifo ekyo takigwanidde, baakimuwa kubanga mutabani w'omukulu, naye ng'akirimu era obuyinza alina bungi. Bwaga nti ono bamukwate, ono bamukole bwe bati, bakikola. Kakati omukulembeze waffe era alina gyekukumye lwa mutabani wa Mwami Museveni ayagala okumutta. Naye bino ebintu nga bwe tubirowoozaako, olaba Muhoozi, tulina emmundu, tulina ki, si mmwe abasoose. Tulabye abanene mawanga eyo abaali nga balina emmundu agasinga gammwe, abaali balina obuyinza obusinga obwammwe. Akaseera katuuka, obuyinza ne buggwawo era nga nabo baliira ku nsiko. Eggwanga lyaffe tetugenda ddikkiriza kuyingira kati abaga.